Hey guys, Paul here, the Impulsive Culinarian, and in this video I want to talk to you about how to make a healthy chili recipe. So what can you do to make chili more health conscious? All right, there's not a lot of wiggle room there. You're already dealing with some very healthy ingredients, right? Those kidney beans, tomatoes. So really it comes down to the choice of meat. And so that's why you'll see a lot of healthy turkey chili recipes out there, because turkey is inherently a little bit better fat content, but you still get that healthy protein. So that's going to be the main feature of this chili recipe. And of course you get your regular suspects in there. You got a little bit less sugar than you would normally see in a chili recipe, and the regular stuff, right? The beans, the beautiful tomatoes, those stewed tomatoes. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So all of this starts with a good cast iron dish, something large enough to hold all the ingredients, and especially something that's got a nice cover that you can put on while it simmers. If you don't have a cast iron pan like this, a large sauce pot will do. So start off with your 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, get that over medium heat, and then you want to add your 2 medium onions, which are so nicely chopped. I've got some shallots in there, but if you have 2 onions, that's fine. Get those simmering until they get nice and soft. A few minutes will do. That's when you want to add the garlic cloves, which you've finely chopped. And of course, stir that around for another minute, just until the garlic gets nice and fragrant. You can smell it when it's ready. Once you're there, then it's time to add the meat. The ground turkey, 2 pounds worth. So you want to get that in there. You can crank up the heat just a tiny little bit, maybe medium to medium high. And with a sturdy spoon, you keep on stirring that around into small chunks until everything is nicely browned. So get yourself 2 cans, 38 ounces total, of red kidney beans, which you've rinsed and drained. A 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. If you like chunky tomatoes, that's fine. Whichever you prefer. It depends on the audience that you're cooking for. Then you want to add 1 cup of white wine. That's going to add such a beautiful depth of flavor. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. There's the nice chili mix right there. That's what makes it chili, basically. 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano, or any fresh herb that you prefer if you have a preference. Coriander or anything like that will do. Stir that all around and make sure that everything is nicely combined. And once you're there, guys, the hard work is done. Literally, you want to get that down to medium-low, just so that it's still simmering. And, you know, once you get that little boil going, nothing crazy, just a gentle boil, partially cover it, then that is going to lead to some beautifully thickened chili. Just delicious. The longer you let it stew, the more the flavors melt together. Beautiful stuff. So guys, thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Lots of great content coming out every single week right here on the IC channel. 3 videos a week, in fact. 1 focused on allergen-friendly, gluten-free cooking. A second one based on international cuisine. We're touring the world virtually through the IC kitchen. And of course, the 3rd recipe video, that like the one you're just watching today, a healthy recipe video, because guys, we should all be living our best healthy lifestyle. My name is Paul, the Impulsive Culinarian. I'll catch you in the next video.